December, what I think it was. Your arm around my shoulder with no care at all. You stayed cool, calm, collected, just playing dumb. Who'd have thought? Yeah, you were so cool, so quick, and yeah, I bet you were bending over backwards just to say a word. And you think you're funny now, but you never learned what it cost. And I've been searching, waiting for the right time. You left early, something about your brother's flight. I just wanna tell you what's on my mind. How do we get here and how do we stay? I don't wanna rush things, but I don't wanna wait for you. How do I know that your feelings could change? I don't know, but I hope so. You think you know it all, and you're probably right on most things, but you haven't noticed the way I just sit and stare. I know it's useless, so I'm trying to stop, yet I know that it's always gonna lead back to you. You said you don't remember what I said to you. I'm so relieved, cause I wouldn't know what to do if I'd said I love you probably way too soon. Like way too soon. Way too soon. Kinda mean and overbearing, kinda sweet but unaware. Times are changing, but you haven't since then. Just give the small talk, say you wanna love me till your lungs give in. Or just maybe, are you free next weekend? I've been searching, waiting for the right time. Said I'd call, but you answered, so I cut the line. I just wanna tell you what's on my mind, but if I say too much,